4 of the 8 accused in the multi-million rand insurance-related murder case will apply for bail on new facts. They were denied bail in June by the Polokwane magistrate court. 3 others were each granted 10,000 rand bail, while the 8 accused abandoned bail. One of the 3 accused, number 9, that's Martha Ruiters, has been unable to pay the 10,000 bail, so she has remained in custody. She'll apply to court to reduce the bail money. They are facing more than 40 charges, including those of murder, money laundering and fraud. The other accused, who were the first to be arrested in the case in 2024, that's former police sergeant Rachel Kutumela and her daughter Flora and the sister Anna Shokane, have been denied bail. Now, the court case is scheduled for 3 days. That's between the 18th and 20th of August this year. For more on this, we cross live to our reporter Rendani Raliphaswa. A very good morning to you, Rendani. Now, this case, one would say, is a long-running one, where the first arrest, as we stated there, took place in 2024. Now, just remind us of the facts around this case and the 4 in particular now who are attempting to apply for bail yet again.
Yes, indeed, you are right, and a very good morning to you and the viewers. The 4 who are expected to apply for bail in new grounds are the former police sergeant Rachel Kutumela's brothers, who are William, Robert, and also Johannes Shokane, including her husband, David Kutumela, who was a former school principal. What we know is that one of the Shokane brothers is said to be paralyzed and will tell the court on the new facts that they have. And we also know that another brother, who is Johannes Shokane, we heard that he is mentally unstable. When they were applying for bail, this Johannes Shokane, who is mentally unstable, had abandoned his bail application. We do understand that this case has been running since 2024. This is when Rachel Kutumela, her sister Anna, and daughter Flora Shokane were arrested for the killings of 9 vulnerable people. We do understand that it's said that these people were killed and they were able to cash out close to 10 million rand. And we understand that today, these 4 accused who were denied bail in June, they will reapply for bail. We also understand that one who was granted bail by this very same court is still in custody, because we heard that she was unable to pay for the 10,000 rand bail that she was given by the court, and today we expect her to ask the court to reduce that payment. We understand that the accused are facing 40 charges, including money laundering as well as murder. We understand that since the first 3 accused were arrested, they are still in custody. We understand that some of the deceased that were killed are related to all these accused, and also some of the deceased were close people who we understand they were close to the accused and they were vulnerable. Some we understand that they were also mentally unstable, and according to the court, when these 4 were denied bail, we understand that they acted in common purposes, with the 3 accused being Rachel Kutumela, the former police sergeant, as well as this daughter and the sister Anna and Flora Shokane. Those were some of the reasons why the 4 were denied bail. We understand that when the court was reading out the judgment, they said that these 4 accused who were denied bail, they can't be given bail because there is a likelihood that they might commit similar offenses, because according to the court, they acted in common purposes in order to kill these 9 people, to enable to get money from the insurance policies that we understand that they went and open those insurance policies with the deceased people in order to benefit from their insurance. Today, we understand that the 4 will appear before this court to reapply for bail and new grants, and this case has been scheduled for 3 days. We'll hear those new facts today on the reasons why they see fit to be granted bail this time around.
All right, Rendani, thank you very much for that comprehensive wrap on exactly what this case pertains to. Still very quite disturbing what these individuals are accused of. That's SABC News reporter there, Rendani Raliphaswa in Polokwane for us. Now, the bail application of suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi and 5 others will resume at the Brakpan Magistrate Court today. The 6 applied for bail last week Friday, and the matter was postponed to today for final arguments on their bail applications. The case against Mkhwanazi and his co-accused relates to the April 2022 abduction and murder of businessman Emmanuel Mpense. Now, Mpense was allegedly tortured to death in Brakpan before his body was dumped into a dam. A 6th accused, Juan Extian, a former SABC official, was added to the case on Friday. The accused faced charges of murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, and defeating the ends of justice.